In this video, we'll show you how to deploy and connect your virtual devices into a live room. Let's briefly review what steps we've performed to get to this point in our room design. We added 4 devices into our small conference room 1, one MXA 920 ceiling array microphone, one P300 IntelliMix audio processor, one MXN5C ceiling loudspeaker, and one MXA mute button. We then used the Auto Route button to automatically connect our Dante routes, optimize our audio settings for these devices, and then turn on Mute Sync. We then set up the coverage for Small Conference Room 1 via our coverage area in Designer. We used the Device Property panel to name our devices to include the Small Conference Room 1 name, and now we're ready to deploy and connect these virtual devices into a live room. Once we click on the Deploy and Connect button, we are taken to a screen where we have to associate the virtual devices to live devices. Once we're done with associating each device, we will select Confirm and Continue. That takes us to the next screen, where we're being asked to assign names to the devices. You'll notice the green line around the devices that we named earlier. We will select those names for our devices and click on Confirm and Continue. The next screen takes us to where we can set up our password for the room. In this case, we're going to select Continue without setting passwords. We'll have another video that speaks to setting up passwords and how security is implemented in Designer 6. We will select Confirm and Continue. Our next screen is where we see the virtual devices being associated with the live devices. We can see at the bottom of the screen where it shows us the progress in deploying devices, which lets us know the devices are being deployed. Once the deployment of the devices is complete, we will automatically be taken back to our routing screen, which now shows a green bar above each device and above the Small Conference Room 1 tab. This lets you know the devices and the room are now live. The last thing we'll show you is how easy it is to get a list of all online devices and the live rooms. We'll discuss more on these 2 buttons in a later video.